Three. All right, well, that was cool. This 3D printer, it's such a money saver. It used to cost about $100,000 to do a prototype like these, and these are the couple iterations that we've done. Each one would be about 100 grand. So with 3D printers, it just, I mean, we did the whole thing for like $3. It's insane. And so here's with the finished product, and this little device here, when completely done with the circuitry and everything else, will hopefully save 38% of all the water utilized in not just the United States, but the entire world. We can't wait to put it all together.